Hey guys, in this series of AutoCAD 3D basics, I am going to teach you all the basics of AutoCAD 3D. So let's get started. So first you have to switch from AutoCAD 2D to 3D interface. For that, simply click on this settings icon and select 3D modeling option. Now you can see a lot of different tools in this panel. So the first thing you have noticed is this cube. This is called the view cube. See, there are 6 different views of an object. In order to switch to different views, the view cube is used. Let me show you how. Suppose I want to switch to the left view, then I will click on this corner and then choose the left view. Similarly, when I want to switch to the top view, I again click on this corner and go to this top view. Now you can also see this home icon. This icon help to switch the object in 3D. Now we have learned the view cube. Let's draw some 3D diagrams. Well, there are one rule to consider to convert a 2D object to 3D object. That is, you can only convert 2D to 3D object when it is a closed object and joined object. Let me show you. Now guys, let's make a diagram to understand 3D. I am using the line command. Simply select at any point. I am going to draw a cube of 50 by 50. Now in order to convert this into a 3D diagram, first you have to join all these lines into a single loop. In order to join this, you can use two commands. The first is join command. In join command, you have to select individually all the lines, and you can use another command that is called the region command. The region command is mainly used to convert a 2D object into a closed loop. Simply select at any point and select the object, then press enter. Now if you select this, it converts to a single object. All the lines are joined into a single object. Now I want to see it in the isometric view. Then you can click on this home icon. Now in order to extrude this, I am going to use the extrude command. Basically, extrude command is used to convert a 2D object into a 3D. It gives the thickness of an object. Like you can see in this diagram, a rectangle is here, and when I use the extrude command, it extrudes. It gives the direction. It gives the material in the Z direction. Simply select on the extrude command. Now click on the object, then press enter. Now you can fill the material up to your required distance, then press enter. And here it is. Your first 3D diagram is ready. You can see it by rotating the view cube. You can see different views by doing the view cube, or you can just click the home icon to see it in the isometric view. Now you can also use different view options like parallel to perspective, like this, or just go to parallel. Now using the extrude command, you can only fill the material. Now let me tell you about the subtract command. To do that, I go to the top view, select the parallel option, then I will draw a circle from the center point or any point. Just make a circle of an approximate length, then select this option, then select the parallel option. Now I want to subtract this circle from this. For that I will first extrude that. Simply type extrude and select the circle, then move it towards the cube. Now I want to remove this circle as a hollow part, then I will use the subtract command. First select the bigger object, then press enter, then the smaller object, then press enter. Now to see it in a realistic view, you can type simply go to this option and select shaded, or you can use this shaded with edges, which is more realistic. And now you can see the material is removed from the cube. Now let me tell you about the UCS option in 3D. Now in order to draw an object from this point, this side, or the front view, you have to change the UCS. Now if you are now you can see the UCS that is in X and Y direction. To convert this, you can use the UCS option. Simply go to the front view and type UCS, then type view. For that type V, press enter. Now you can see the X in this direction and the Y is this direction. Now you can also draw in this plane also. Now again go to UCS, then type world to restore its original position. Now select the home icon, right click and select parallel, then type extrude, select the circle and extrude it to about 100 millimeter. Now you can see I have explained about the view cube, the home icon, the UCS, the extrude command, the subtract command, and how to change the X and Y direction using the UCS command.
That's all for today. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And if you subscribe to my channel, you will get more videos like this and you will become an expert in AutoCAD. Thank you and have a nice day.